Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to explain JavaScript array method map, and I will also show you how can you make your own map method. Okay, so to start off, here I have an array called colors, and which has three colors in it: red, green and blue. So what I'm going to do is colors dot map, and map takes in a callback. Alright, so the way it works, basically it can return three things: the values, index and full array. So first we will do value. So say we want to return each of these color. Alright, so if we do color here, so because this is going to return a new array, so we have to store this into a variable. Okay, so we will say new colors. Okay, and then we can do console log, and we will console log those new colors, and they are gonna be exactly the same just because we are not doing anything to do to them. So say if we wanna change them to maybe uppercase. Alright, and now if we save them, they're gonna be uppercase. Okay, just because we are grabbing them and then we are doing to uppercase and then storing back into this new colors variable and then console logging it. And same as I said, we can return index, and we can also return array. Alright, so say if we want to return index this time instead of value, so now we're gonna have an array of indexes. So because we have three values, so we're gonna get 0, 1, 2, and say if we return the array itself, so it's gonna return three arrays. Okay, so see, we are getting three arrays just because we have three values in there. So this is what pretty much map does. Okay, so now we are going to make our own map. So let me just get rid of everything here. So if I save it, and we're gonna keep this array, by the way. So let's think we do this step by step. So the first step we learned is basically map returns a new array. Okay, so we're gonna go and make our own map. So I will name it my map maybe. Okay, and this is going to be a function. Alright, so the first thing we want to create a new array. Okay, so let's just say let maybe arr, and we are going to set it to an empty array, and then we want to return this in array. So for the start, it is going to return an empty array. So however, we want to put some stuff in this array. So to do this, we're gonna go and do here for loop. Okay, so we're gonna do let I, and we're going to set it to 0, and then the condition is going to be as long as I is less than this dot length and I plus plus. And this here is going to be the array we attach our my map to. Okay, say if we attach our my map to this colors, and this is gonna be that colors array. Okay, so if you have a confusion about this and how this works in JavaScript, I have another video on my channel. Please watch that, and that would help you a lot. So in this loop, what we want to do, basically we want to pass a callback here. Okay, and in this loop we want to call that callback, and this callback is gonna behave like map. So map takes in three things, if you remember: the value, index and array. Alright, so to grab the value of the array, and we are gonna do this, and then I bracket I. So the first time it is going to be 0. Alright, and this is going to be, as I said previously, say if we attach this my map to this colors, so it's gonna be this colors array. So it's gonna be like colors and bracket I. So it's gonna grab the first loop, it's gonna grab this color red. Okay, and the other thing we need to grab is index, which can be I, and then of course this, which would be full array. However, we are going to return a new array, so it is just creating kind of map, but it is not returning it. So but we are returning an array. So we want, if we want to return an array, so what we need to do is basically we need to push this into this array. Okay, so let's just do this. So array dot push, then we can pass our callback in there, and that's it. We have our own map method. Okay, so which is my map. To make it available as map is available on every array, we need to do a array dot prototype, and then maybe my map. Okay, and then we will set it to my map. Okay, and now it would be available on every array. So, all right, afterwards, but now we can do colors, and then we will do my map, and here we are going to pass in callback, which is this callback. Okay, this callback. All right, and we are gonna call this same as we did with map. Okay, so say we wanna get the colors, color, and we want to do, we will do the exact same thing. So we will do to uppercase method on this each color. So if we return this as this is going to return a new array, so new colors. Okay, and then if we do console log new colors, and this is going to return us a new array with those colors, but they are uppercase. Okay, and I can show you the other two things, which are index and array. All right, so if we want to return, say, index, same we did as we did with the map, we're gonna get the index of the and we're gonna get an array of indexes. Okay, so same with, if we want to do array, we're gonna get 3 arrays. Okay, an array of 3 arrays of this. Okay, this colors array. So there we go, guys, we have our own my map. Okay, so which behaves exactly the same map does. So I hope you have learned something from this video. I know it is slightly confusing, but yeah, but it's not that confusing anyways. So rewatch if you have to, and yeah, please like the video if you did, and also remember to subscribe, and yeah, I will be back with another video. I'll see you next time. Have a good time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.